Welcome back, aliens. My name is Navin Reddy, and in this video, we'll talk about the MacBook giveaway. So yesterday, we went live to talk about the 2 million subscribers. That's right, we hit the new benchmark. And we thought, hey, let's do a giveaway of a MacBook Air. Now, I want to do this giveaway in terms of a contest. It's because I don't want to keep it general so that anyone in the world can participate. It's because I want to focus more for the developer community. Now, to do that, we are running this as a contest. No, not the contest where you have to comment something on the video or like the video or share the video. No, that's not how you're doing it. Basically, this is a contest of a 10-day challenge where you will learn something new every day. That's right. So for next 10 days, starting from tomorrow, or maybe 9 days, doesn't matter. So till the next Sunday, which is 28th of May, we are going to do live sessions continuously for this week. Maybe we might skip one day, but important thing is you will learn something in next 10 days. And the main focus is a Java language. Now, in this next 10 days, I will teach you something in Java. Now, it can be a syntax, it can be some concepts, it can be something, some interview questions, something new, some new version update. And then after this 10 days, we will see the engagement. Of course, we want you to learn in those next 10 days. See, every time you decide to learn something new, you push it for some reason. Maybe you want to go on a vacation. Maybe you have some other project which is lining up. And you think, okay, I will do it later. But that day never comes, right? So let's take a challenge. Okay, so this is not actually about winning a MacBook. It's about learning something new. And of course, if you show your engagement and if you show your dedication, you will get this MacBook. So we are giving away 1 MacBook and 2 huge discount on the live courses which are coming up. Okay. Now, how do you win this? It's very simple. For the next 10 days, which starting from tomorrow, I will go live and then you have to attend the live sessions, or maybe you can watch the recording later. That's your choice. But the thing is, you have to do that on the same day. Example, let's say if you go live tomorrow, let's say 7 p.m. IST, you can watch this session till 12 a.m. on the same day, or for the next day, 12 a.m. And then you have to practice it. So make sure that you attend the session, make sure that you practice it. In that particular session, I will give you some work to do, maybe some assignment type of stuff or some coding challenge. Complete the assignment and push it to any Git repository, GitHub, GitLab, doesn't matter. And then you have to post about that concept on a LinkedIn. So when you post something on the LinkedIn, make sure that you also mention your GitHub link and tag me there. That's how we can track you, right? Alternatively, you can also make a YouTube video if you want. Okay, so if you think, okay, I can teach something, so watch this session and make a YouTube video. You can tag me there as well so that we can track you. And that's how you do it. So it's all about attending live session, learning something, completing the work, putting your work on the remote repository, and then sharing it on a social media platform, LinkedIn or YouTube, your choice. Now, after this 10 days, in fact, during the time as well, our team will observe your activities and then we will choose the winner among you. And the winner will get a MacBook. Now, what are the restrictions here? The first one, you need to be in India to receive this award or the prize, because this is our first time we are doing a giveaway. So we are not sure what are the logistics to ship to other countries, right? So that's the first requirement. At least for the first giveaway, which is happening now, it will be only for India. Second, make sure that your area is accessible for Amazon and Flipkart. The delivery have to happen through any of this. If you are staying near Bangalore and if you can come down to our office, you're welcome. If you win, we will call you here and then you can we can have a chit chat and you can get your prize from my office itself. So what you're going to learn in this live session, it's all about Java. In some sessions, we're going to talk about the syntax of Java. We'll talk about some tricky part of Java. It's not like we are teaching the entire language in this 10 days. It's more about what's new in Java. What is something people find it difficult to work with? And we'll also do some interview questions. We'll do some new features in Java and it will be fun because I wanted to do this for a long time, because see, every time I go live talking about Java, I tend to teach you from basics, but then we do have videos on YouTube, right? So what if you can learn something new, something tricky? So that's what we are going to do in this particular 10 days live sessions. 10 days or 9 days, we are not quite calculated, but it will end on Saturday, next Saturday, and going to start from tomorrow on Friday. So it might be 8 or 9 days, but yeah, that's important. You can treat this as a 10 days challenge because submission will be, or result will be happening on Sunday, the next Sunday. So yeah, that's the challenge. And if you have any more questions, what you can do is you can send us a mail at connect@telusko.com. You can also visit to our website, telusko.com, for more updates. And yeah, that's it. Yeah, I wanted to update about the course as well, which we are giving away. So basically, we have one MacBook winner, and next we have 2 winners who will get the huge discount on the courses, the live course which is coming up. And you will find the link of the live course in the description. Now, if you want to participate in this contest, it's very simple. In the description, there's a link for the Google form. Mention your name, mention your number, mention your email address, and mention all the details there. And then you can be a part of this contest. And next time, when you are a part of a live session, when you post something on the LinkedIn, we can track you easily. So do mention your exact YouTube handle which you're using if you're commenting, and also your LinkedIn link, so that we can track you. You can also invite your friends to part of this contest if they want to win this MacBook. It will be quite fun because it's also encourages so that if you have a friend circle and if you want to learn something together, you can do it as well. So it will be quite fun. So that's it from this contest announcement, and see you in the live session. Bye-bye.